Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I'm going to show you how to use the TR503 and TR104 FM receiver. Now let me show you the transmitter first. This is the TR503 transmitter. Now it's the turn on mode, and you can turn it off and turn it on, and you can press this to show. You can see this is the volume. You can press left and right to increase or decrease the volume. This is the frequency. You can change the frequency by right and left as well. And it's quite easy. And you can charge it here. You can see. Okay, now let me show you how to use the TR104. And this is for battery. You need to open it to turn. You need to buy two 3A batteries. It's not included. Now you can see this is the turn on button, and this is the left and right to turn up and down the volume and the frequency. This is for storage stations. It can storage 8 stations total. Press this. You can see it's the frequency, and if you want to change it, press this one. This is to add, and this is to down. And when it's in the frequency mode, you just press this one to turn up and turn down the volume. If you want to store this station, press this for 2 seconds. And you can see it's storage to 7. And if you want to hear the station that you stored, press this one. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. It's quite easy as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.